You've got a job, maybe a little money saved up. You're ready to buy a home, or at least you want to. But that credit score, that number has you frozen. I talk to people every week who think their credit is too bad to even try. And I get it, it's embarrassing, it's confusing, it's like a wall that you feel like you're never gonna climb. But let me tell you a story, a real one. By the way, I'm Huddy. I'm from the internet. I've been doing lending for over 25 years, which is over half my life. Just think of me as Uncle Huddy. There's a single mom that I worked with in that typical situation. No child support, part-time bartending and server jobs just to try to keep things together. Add in the boyfriend, which does play a key part later. Add in the small 2-bedroom apartment for her and her daughter. Bringing that boyfriend in there, making an already tight situation even tighter. She didn't think she was ever going to be able to buy a home. She felt as though her credit was trashed and she never would have the income or the money in order to buy a house. Talk about making assumptions. I don't know, sound like anyone? Turns out she wasn't nearly as bad as what she thought. It turns out her credit scores ranged in the high 500s to the low 600s, meaning that she was in striking range of a loan program where she only needed $1,000 down. This is where we start cheering for our single mom. So what did we do? We made a plan. I taught her how to manage her credit cards, paying those balances down, and setting up auto pay so at least the minimum payment got paid on time and it avoided late charges and the potential to go 30 days late. Remember that boyfriend I was telling you about? This is where it gets really key. To help boost her scores, we had to pay those credit card balances down. Her boyfriend, who had good credit, but we didn't have a job that we could really document because he's self-employed, he had some cash. So he was able to help pay those credit card balances down, which helped improve credit scores. I was able to get a couple old accounts deleted from her credit, and then she settled one other. And guess what? This didn't take years. This took 6 months. 6 months of small, smart moves. Guess what? Her score hit the mark. We got the 650 we needed. By working together as a team, she was able to buy a house within 6 months for her and her daughter, with just $1,000 down. Now that little girl has her own bedroom, a yard, and a place they can call their own. Let me tell you, the banks, they don't want to take the time. I know the credit bureaus just spit out numbers and information to ruin your life, but you're not a number, you're a human being. If you're anything like the single mom and her boyfriend that I was telling you about, you're doing the best you can. You deserve a shot. Link in the description for my website, licensed in 49 states. You can also buy my book. It's all about how to fix your credit, get ready to buy a house, or you can just watch the next video.